Rolling thunder built for speed. 76, the signal burned. A diesel legend, the tables turned. From Bristol roads to Highland rain, steel hearts roaring down the line again. Orange sunset, blue and grey, the screaming Valentas led the way. Ride the 125, kings of the rail still alive. Across the coast and mountain sky, forever runs the InterCity 125. 125. Forged for the future, built to last, breaking barriers, racing past. 148 miles an hour, a record carved in diesel power. East Coast mornings, western nights, blazing through the city lights. Drivers standing proud and tall, the people's train inspired them all. Ride the 125, 50 years and still alive. Through every storm and battle cry, forever runs the InterCity 125. From depot yards to museum halls, the echo of the engine calls. Preserved in steel, remembered in flame, every carriage tells your name. You carried workers' dreams and home. Across the land you'd always roam, and though